Austin Drummond on the Yz250 at Gibtown Bike Fest. About to do some stunts for you guys. Hell yeah.
Just giving you a little preview taste of what is to come. Oh, there you see Austin tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Be sure to let your friends and neighbors know this out here at the Gibtown Bike Fest. Oh, they're throwing down for their warm-up. So I'm sure you can only imagine what is going on. And that wind comes it is a whole town bike fest. Oh, Josh Austin taking it.
Hell yeah. Nasty.
Take it easy, but that is just not in his repertoire.
Wow.
Out here tomorrow, you got the freestyle motocross right here, Cycle Circus Live, World 2022 edition. They're getting their trick list in order, and Cycle Circus Live is back in town. All the huge each and every day to stay flexible for tricks. They are still just warming up. Now I told you that is one of them. Dylan does them better than it has up his sleeve. Some of the tricks he does have not. Mustache out here, a very unique look. Oh, awesome wheelie in a cross-action sports arena. Give him some love, make some noise for Austin Drummond.
Holy shit.
Going for a huge 360 backflip. Oh man, I told you this kid is one little taste of what is to come tomorrow at 12. I can check us out for sure. Oh, stopping the three has not even been named yet. Austin making his way to the giant red. Go for
holy shit. Wow.
KO attention, that chick actually got Austin the cover of FMX Magazine 2008 red takeoff ramp. Oh, and a huge sea crab variation just a little bit ago. That is how Austin does it. Oh, and stopping another double backflip. Oh, I told you these guys are just flying over 45 feet above the ground with a huge whole different ball game. Oh, Austin, there you go, showing it again.
Watch this guy.
Cross ramp. Oh, he flies through the air. Chop like ride safe. Dylan said he is not done yet. All these guys love what they do. They absolutely love it.
Come to the Gibtown Bike Fest, guys. It's a place to be. We got stunt riding, helicopter rides, Ferris wheel. What else they got? Bands, vendors, food, waterfront bar. It doesn't get any better than this. Like my dad used to say, if you're not happy right now, you'll never be happy. Right on the beautiful waterfront here with palm trees. And it's the middle of January, January 14th. 70 degrees and sunny.
So feel free to sing along with us. I know y'all can get loud. I want to hear you guys on this next one. You guys ready? Damn, it's like a library out there. I know y'all can get loud. Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train,
Going anywhere. Gibtown Bike Fest. Barbecue chicken, steak. It's gonna be good. $15 get you a big meal. You're gonna be dead a long time. Go have some fun. One item 12, one item 12.